Okay. So this is the data platform. So in this platform only you are going to arrange all your activities. What is your activity? Activities are, it is another component model. So you can able to drag and drop the components and you set your properties. According to the properties, these activities will work. I'll tell you for an example. I'm just using a copy activity. So you drag and drop this here. That's it. Yeah, you see a beautiful design. So in this design, you see that there are properties are appearing here. Now we have a platform. If I click on the platform, platform properties are showing down. If I click on activity, activity properties are showing here. Yes or no, guys? Yeah. Now first we will see that what is this platform activity. So in the platform properties. If I click on this platform, so here you can see variables, parameters, settings and output. First I will start with parameter. What is this parameter all about? If I click on parameter, this is an input to your pipeline. Okay, so if I am going to click on new parameter, I will say input 1. I will say input 1. Okay, so I am typing as a string. Default value is there, you can able to pass it. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Now what you can do is I can click on debug here. Yeah. So it is saying that you have not filled the copy data. So I will not agree this pipeline to run. So just to clear this out. Okay, come back here. I just delete this copy data as of now. First we will learn this this one. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I will introduce the copy data again. Sorry for the confusion. 1 minute. Pause. Pause. Okay. Just I have deactivated this one by right button click. I can click on deactivation. So it is deactivated. It will not throw the error. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about the platform. In the platform, what you have? Variables and parameters. In this parameter, I am passing input, string and value I am passing it. Okay. So just I am going to click on debug here. You see that this parameter values asked as an input. So you can able to pass an input. This input value will be considered inside the pipeline. So this is one we call them as input. Okay. So whatever the parameters you are passing, so those will be considered as a input to the pipeline. Okay. So now what I'll do is I just click on cancel because I have not done anything here. So nothing will come in. Okay. Now what we can do is before getting into the copy data, just I move this out. I'm going to explain about variables. So first I pass the parameters. So how to pass the input to the pipeline, that you can able to see it here. Here you can able to type set here. Set variable will be there. If I move on set variable here. So the set variable, it is helping to set the data to a variable. Okay. So you see this set variable. What it will do? It will set the value to where? To variable. Variables you can declare in the main platform. So if I click on main platform, there is a variables are there. If you click on variables, you click on plus symbol, you can able to declare a variable. For example, I am declaring a variable called result. I give the type as string, I have given the value empty. First one I set the properties here. Second time I am setting the variables here. Result variable I have set. Now what I am going to do is I am going to use with the set variable. In the set variable, this is an activity. What it will do? It will set some value to the pipeline. Pipeline properties. It will go into set that. So now I am clicking on this set activity. You can see there is a name it is coming in. That name is setting variable. I don't like this name, but it's a default name. It is not making any meaning here. I will say that set result. I'll say that set result. Okay. It is making some sense here. I'm going to set the result. and here you can able to give the description. Getting data from parameter and set to result variable. Okay, this is what I can give it. So here this is a description area. It can be used for any purpose. I mean, to describing purpose you can use it. I mean, you can type anything here. That is not going to be a problem. Okay, so I have said these things. Now next one is settings here. If I click on settings here, you can able to assign the value to a particular variable. So I click on the variable name here, click on result here. Okay, for the result variable you are going to set the value. Guys, please listen. I can able to set the value directly like this. Hello all. I can do this. This also will work. So what I will do is I will run the code now. So I am clicking on debug. So it is asking an input value. No use of it. But still the set variable will work. Set activity will work. How it is working we will see. You see that this whole pipeline is running one by one. Copy data, it is deactivated, it is not going to do anything. But set activity, it is working. Set variable, what it is doing, see this symbol, it is input we passed as hello all. You can see the output here, output is set to hello all. Yes or no? What is the variable it sets? Result variable, value set to hello all. Okay. So I pass the value, I will hardcode the value. For that I am using set activity. Make sense? Is that clear? Now okay, so the pipeline is ran. So pipeline, what are the activities it is ran one by one? What is the sequence it is followed? That will be shown here. Is that clear? So this is what set activities.